Yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name should remain the same. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord, as I already know. Yeah, so today I'm using the arbitrage bot to do my exchange to exchange arbitrage strategy. Yeah, so I'm using Bybit and XC. So yesterday I used Bybit and Bank X, but today I can see that the coin I'm using on Bybit and the Bank X, like, it's no more. Yeah, so if I go to Bank X, it's the same. So I'm using with XT. So if you come here, you can see that over here the XT is 0.1466. So the bot told me that I should buy RTY on Bybit and sell it on XT. Yeah, so if I come here and I say I want to buy $1,000 worth of XT, this is the amount I'll be getting. Then if I come here to sell my XT over here, I'm getting $4.79, and the fee is 0.5. So it means that I'm getting 4.29. It means that I've made 4.29 as profit. Yeah, the reason why I use 1,000 is that at times when you spot opportunities like this, that one, you need huge capital. But let me use $100 to do for you to also see. So if I'm using $100, this is the amount I'll be getting. But if the profit is good for you, you can use it. Yeah. So if I'm using $100 to do it, you can see that is 100.27. Is that then 100.27? So it's not all that profitable. But one opportunity, or one thing that I can tell you, is that when you are doing crypto arbitrage, and you spot a chance, you can see that right now it have decreased to 2.7. Yeah, so it's an arbitrage, so you have to spot the opportunity, and the chart keeps going and coming. So at first, when I was using 1,000, my profit was 4.7, and right now the profit is what, 2.7. So it means that I have decreased to to by 2. You see, that is why I always say that don't be quick to buy and sell. It's better for you to buy it slow and sell it high than buy it and sell it quickly and like making losses. Don't be quick to sell. Just relax on the chart, because right now it's 0.1463, right? And over here too is 0.459. Let me You can see that the chart keeps going and coming. You can see it keeps on going and coming. Yeah. So my data. So let me research it again. Okay. My data. Let's wait. At times too, you have to check your data, because maybe if you don't have enough bundle, you think that the chart is not moving, but it's moving. It's that thing. Yeah. So right now it's 0.49. So 0.49. Yeah, 0.49. So if I'm buying $2,000, I'm getting this amount of ARTY. And if I go to sell here, refresh it first, and you have to know when to buy it on limit order and when to set it on market order. Over here, the limit order and the market order, when it's limit order, it still takes the market order on XT. Yeah, but it's not the same as Bybit and the rest. Yeah. So if I come here and I paste, and when you're doing your arbitrage, you always have to be what? You always have to be fast. Okay, so I'm using, like, let me use $2,000 to do because I can see that the profit rate margin is very small. So when this thing happen, you need huge You need huge what capital. So if I'm using $2,000, it means that I'm earning 5.48. So arbitrage, when it comes to exchange arbitrage, at times we spot opportunities, but because we don't have enough capital, so you will not think that it's lucrative or it's not profitable, but it's profitable. It's business that you're doing, so you need capital. That is why, as a small business owner, you can't be richer than someone who is owning a large business. Is that then? Yeah. So when you spot opportunities like this, it needs huge capital. So imagine someone using 10,000 to trade on this particular date thing, and today's date is what is 26 August. I'm doing 26 August. Yeah. So $10,000. This is the coin I'll be getting. So if I come here and I paste it over here on my cell here, you can see that 10,000 I'll be earning $27.4 per one trade, and the fee is what's still the same, 0.5. So imagine I'm getting $26 on 10,000 trade. And one thing is, you'll still get your money and still get your profit. Yeah. And arbitrage, one thing that is confusing is how, when to use your limit order and when to use your market order. That is why I'm saying that on this Saturday, I'm hosting arbitrage class for beginners. So if you want to know your stand, how you can do your arbitrage, what to know, what not to do, join this class. I have the ticket link in the bio. It's $15. Just buy it and join this Friday class, and your life will be different. And one thing is, like, you don't, like, when you spot opportunities, at times you need huge capital. At times we don't need huge capital. Yesterday I was using $100 to get $3 profit, but today I have to use 10,000 to get 27. So 27, even I'm doing it, this one is unlimited. 27, even I'm doing it 10 times, I'm making $270 every day. If I'm in Ghana, I'm earning $3,240. So if you see huge money in our wallets, it's because we are smart, because we risk and stuff. You see that thing? Yeah. But when you spot opportunities that have, like, let's say, that comes with like small, that comes with huge intervals. That one, if you use even small money, because yesterday we were doing arbitrage. I even posted in my Signal group. Yeah. So yesterday I was using BankX and Bybit, and on $100 we were making $3, $4, $2. It keep changing, you see, because the charts keep going and coming down. So we were making as low as $2 per trade. You see that thing? When we deduct the 0.5 from it, we're making $2 per trade, and it's very cool. As a beginner, it's very cool. But when you spot chance like this and it comes with like low profit margin, then you need huge capital. That's where the rich people always get rich, because this time you will need huge capital in order to make more money. I hope you understand. You will need huge capital in order to make more money. So if, let me say, if someone is using 100,000 right now, it has moved to 1460, and here it's 1464, right? 1464. So it's charts, it keep going and coming down. So if someone is using $100,000 to trade, its profit right now is $342.6. So imagine he's paying 0.5, so it means that he's taking home $342 per trade. So $342 per trade, and he is able, 342 times 10, is able to trade 10 times. Is getting $3,420. So if you're in Ghana, you are earning 41,040. And if you're in Nigeria, imagine how much you're earning. Imagine. So let me check, like, Nigeria rates. Let me check Nigeria rates so that I will know. Because Nigeria, very soon I will come to Nigeria Nigeria, their price is very cool. So it's 1,000. Let's say 1,542, right? 1,542. So 3,450 times 1,542. So if you're in Nigeria, every trade you're making 5.3 million naira on every trade. You're making 5.3 million naira. Hey, Nigeria, like if I'm in Nigeria right now, but by now I'm billionaire. You see, you're making 5.3 million naira if you're in Nigeria. Yeah, on 100,000 account though. This one is on a 100,000 account, $100,000 account. Yeah. So, but like when you're using 10,000, on 1,000 right now, 1,000 we are getting $3, right? $3. So if even 3 times 10 times is $30 times 1,250. The rate is what? 1,542. So it means that even if you are trading with as low as like $1,000 or something like that, you'll be getting profits of what? $3. So if you are able to trade 10 times every day, you'll be getting $30 times your currency rate. So it means that every day you're making 46,260 naira times, let's say 31 days. 31 days. So within a month, you're making 1.4 million within a month. You see, arbitrage is not like easy like that. Like you need a mentor, and people think that if you are doing video, they think it's easy. Like if you enter now, you make money. No. You need tutorials. You need to learn things. You need to adapt like new strategies and stuff. You need to be smart, and you need to be hardworking, because searching for the crypto coins is not easy. When to search, so how, like, ask yourself, how do I spot my opportunities? I spot it with the crypto arbitrage bot. That's what is helping us, because I have more than 70 exchanges. I'll be comparing the coins till I see opportunity. So you can see that it's not that easy. And arbitrage, you need a capital. When it comes to exchange arbitrage, you need a capital. You see, you need a capital. We have many strategies, but when it comes to exchange to exchange, at times you spot opportunities, but it will be like very low gap. So you need more money in order to make more money. You see that then? Yeah. So this is how it is. And people say that, why don't you trade live for us to see? I mostly trade live, but because right now, because of some policies, that is why we don't trade live like that. Because we post it on Kick that doesn't accept live trading and stuff. And even TikTok at times they don't accept live trading. Unless you cut. You see that then? Yeah. So me, I'm not here to convince anybody. I'm here to do my content and stuff. Yeah. So if I drop free signal and for you to say thank you and you want to challenge, it's on your own cup of thing, bro. So own cup of thing. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and I'm Crypto Lord, as you already know. Yeah, and I'm the founder of Rando Tech. So on this Saturday, we are having our class 12 p.m. So just join the class and let's cash out together. Yeah, let me show you the view. Let me show you how you can initiate trade and stuff. Yeah, and don't think that arbitrage is easy way to get money. No, it involves hard work, smart work, and you have to be be serious. I'm not joking. Like I'll not be here saying that it's very easy to make money. No, if it's easy, everyone would have been doing it. That's what it is. Thank you for watching me.